So what I did is that I gave access to all my classes, something called Magic Schools. Anyone ever heard of that? Okay. So I hope that right now you're in CTLS. You can just follow what I'm going to do right now. Okay. So this is the post. Does everybody see this in CTLS? Yeah. Go ahead and click on this link. Type in your name, first and last name, and then your class. Does everybody got me on that? First and last name and your class. So I'm gonna say AP African American Studies just for the sake of me doing it. Okay. So your first and last name and your class. Put that in the line. Does everybody got me on that? Yes. Okay. Click join room. All right. So Magic School is an AI. Does everybody got me on that? Magic School is an AI. Now, on my YouTube page, I have a whole lesson that goes into detail about how students can use AI effectively and efficiently. Everybody got me there? So this is an AI tool. Now, let me say this first and foremost. If you can hear me, I want to hear a very loud yes on three. One, two, three. That wasn't everybody. That was like one person because it's Kennedy and I know how her voice is at this point. Again, one, two, three. You do not use AI to complete your work. You use AI to help, maybe edit or get ideas. Is everybody clear there? I am not telling you to use AI to do your whole assignment. So you got a paper for lit. I am not telling you to go into AI, copy and paste from AI and put directly to your paper. You will fail the class because that's what we consider AI, misuse of AI. Does everybody got me on that? And Dr. Chilwell is not saying to do that. Is everybody clear? I am saying you wrote a thesis statement, right? Your teacher gave you feedback on it, right? You try to rewrite it again, right? Now you might use AI. Can you maybe help me edit or get some ideas? And then use that for ideas. But you already wrote your thesis statement, yes? Now you're trying to edit it. Is everybody clear? That's how you use AI. So now go ahead, I acknowledge. And what I have here is a couple of things to help you out, okay? Chat with docs. So this right here is where you can upload a document and you're going to have a chat box that basically try to help walk you through what the document's about. Is everybody clear there? So you know sometimes how you read things, you have no clue what it's about. That's to help you out there. If you understand that, say yes. Then I says make it relevant. How many times are you in math and science cannot understand why the heck you need to learn this? Raise your hand. Be blunt, be real. I was the same way. That you click this link here to try to say, okay, how can I use differential equations in daily life? Is that right? Follow? This will give you some examples to make it relevant. If you can understand how to make it relevant, sometimes light bulbs go off to where you can understand it better. Yes? Rewrite it. This is what I was talking about, where now you have written your thesis statement, you've written a paper 2 or 3 times, and it helps you rewrite it. It's not going to give you a full paper, but it helps you rewrite it to make it sound a little bit better based on criteria. Is everybody got me there? Sentence starters. I'm actually going to click on this one. So now it tells you, it gives you like a little prompt to do. Like, say you got a paper you're doing for XYZ. You say what XYZ is, and it gives you some different ideas of how to start a sentence. For example, maybe making learning targets are essential questions. Everybody got me on that? This can be a way to help you give you some stems to help do that. Does everybody follow? When we're doing tutorials at Avid, this can be a place where you can start getting some ideas of how to ask questions to your classmates. Y'all follow me so far? If you with me so far, give me thumbs up. Okay. Um, YouTube summarizer. How many times you watch a YouTube video have no idea what it's about? Okay. In this case here, you tell me how long you want the summary to be. You want a paragraph, page, whatever, 500 words, and then you use the URL. Let me reiterate. There are some classes that I know they're gonna ask you to watch a video and give you a reflection on the video, right? This is not a case where you just copy and paste what it spits out for you. Is there I follow? This is saying you read the video, you watched the video, you're still kind of confused. You use this to maybe help you get some level of clarity. The longer the video, less likely you'll be able to get some clarity on it, though. Does that make sense? These are more so good for short videos. The next one I have over here is Idea Generator. That's pretty self-explanatory. Research Assistant. This is really for my honors and AP classes, but you guys, gals and folks also will have sometimes do that. Describe what you research. You say that this will give you some information to kind of help you out as far as how to guide your research. And this is why, folks, 95% of all students, my generation and above, is the same case. We don't know how to do research. We just know, okay, If I'm doing a research paper on somebody, give me a class. What are y'all doing in history right now? What's your topic? Genghis Khan, you say? Okay, so empires. I gotta do research on what's the best empire, right? But did you specify what empire you're looking at yet? Remember, I just said I want to do research on the best empire, right? I have to specify what empire I'm looking at. Then I get a little bit better, but then I still might get a lot of information. This chatbot here is gonna help you be able to narrow down to get better research quality work. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, no? Okay. So you have that one there for you. And then SAT reading practice. We all got to start getting ready for the SATs and ACTs, yes? The reading part is the hardest. Just use this to help you get ready for it, okay? There's no other way to say it. This is solely there to help you with the SAT stuff. And then StudyBot. So, folks, y'all all typically, if you got me for Avid or any of my classes, I'm going to give you some kind of time to study, right? Utilize this to help you study. This is the easiest thing to show me that you actually studied. Give me a topic. Someone said what? Empires? I'm gonna say world empires. Watch what it's gonna do. So it'll tell you this right here, what's going on with empires. You can click a read out loud button. Does everybody got me on that? Now let's say, what about the Roman empires? So I get more specific, right? Now it tells me more about that. You follow me there? Now, do you have to read all this? Can you just hit the read out loud? You hit the read out loud, right? But it gives you some information to tell you about them, right? Y'all saw what I'm saying? Okay. Is this going to be like the perfect thing? No. But guess what? This is something you don't have to pay for. It's very student based. Is everybody clear there? And I hope and pray that you utilize this and to help you out. There will be cases in class where you'll be required to use this. Does that make sense to everybody? Are we clear there? You will have this as long as I keep it open, which I don't plan on closing no time soon, okay? Cool? This is for you. Do you have to use it? No, but it's something that you can use to help, and hopefully you guys can see that, okay? Cool? Raise your hand if you think you might use this at least once over the next 2 weeks. That I can live with that. That's the majority. All right. Any questions on this? And again, what I would suggest you do is go ahead and save this or bookmark this somewhere on your computer or your phone. This works totally fine on your phone as well. Is everybody got me on that? You don't have to be on a computer. You can work on the smallest device. It still works just as fine. But I pray that this helps you out. If you got any kind of questions about it,